Hello Pilates lovers, welcome to day 12 of our 30 days Pilates Discover Self-Healing. Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. In this video, we'll be focusing again on our flexibility to lengthen our shoulders and our hips. So it's a lot of stretching through Pilates that's safe and effective if you have back pain. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, friends. Time. Hands overhead. We're gonna start with bridging. So you're gonna slowly pull your belly button in. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Squeeze your glutes. And then slowly lift your hands pointing to the ceiling. Inhale. And then exhale, go down one vertebrae at a time while you're slowly placing your hands overhead same time as you lower your hips. Inhale, lift, pointing to the ceiling, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, going down one vertebrae at a time. Follow your hand movement for mind-body connection. Inhale, belly button in, squeeze in your stomach, squeeze on your glutes. Exhale, going down one vertebrae at a time while you're slowly overhead with your hands. 7 more. Inhale, exhale with your breathing. 6 more. Inhale, lift. Slow and easy. It's about control. Squeeze it in, scoop it in, bone to the mat. Exhale as I slowly go down. 5 more. Inhale, lift. Don't overarch your spine. You don't want to overarch too high. You want to make sure your neutral spine. And then slowly go down one vertebrae at a time and blow. 4 more. Inhale, lift. Belly button in and exhale down. And blow. 3 more. Inhale. Squeeze as hard as you can. And then slowly go down and blow. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Belly button in. Exhale, go down and blow. 2 more. Inhale. And slowly go down and blow. Last one. Inhale, lift. And from this position, we're slowly progressing by opening your knees and your hands apart. Inhale, butterfly while in your bridging position. Exhale back. 10, 9, feel the burn on your glutes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. And now slowly go down overhead and rest your glutes. Okay, friends, now we're gonna do single leg bridging. So if this is challenging with your hands overhead, you can place your hands back to their side. This is much more difficult. This time in a tabletop position for now for beginners. We're gonna slowly progress and lift. Start with your right leg if you like, your dominant side, whichever you want to prefer first. Bridge on one leg. Inhale and slowly go down one vertebrae at a time and blow. 9. Slow and easy. 8. Feel the burn. Activate your glutes. 7, 6, 5, 4. Control. Keep your pelvis level. 3, 2, last one, and down. Now switch it up. tabletop on the other leg. Inhale and lift. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and down. And now hands overhead. And we're going to do butterfly. Open your knees and your hands apart to stretch your hips. Inhale. Exhale. 9, 8, 7, 6. Open and close. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Now hands overhead. We'll do tabletop, but this time we're going to do both legs up now. Inhale and then lift, pointing to the ceiling with your hands in tabletop position, and slowly go down overhead with your hands and lengthen your knees. Exhale. If this is too difficult on your spine still, just tap down. We'll do 9 more to go. For those who want to challenge, keeping your back in neutral, inhale, exhale, slow and easy. 9, inhale. 8, keep your core engaged to protect your spine. 7, inhale, exhale. 6, double tabletop. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and down. Now we'll do leg circles. Bend the other leg first to support your spine. And you start with in tabletop position, small circle. 10, 9, 8. Warm up your hips more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Feel the burn in your quads. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. We're gonna straighten your knee as much as you can and circle. 10, lengthen. 9, toes pointing away. 8, try not to rock your hips. Hold your belly button in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then reverse. 10, like the size of a small dish. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then bigger circle. So you go down first. Inhale and exhale out. 1, 2, so down and out. 3, pointing away from you. 4, we'll do 10 times a day. 5, 6, inhale, exhale. 7, 8, 9, last one, and then reverse. 10, out first and up. 9, inhale, exhale. 8, 7, 6, feel the burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and down. Now let's go to the other side. Small circle first with your knees bent to tabletop, clockwise. 10, without rocking your hips. 9, 8, engage your core. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now lengthen your knee up, toes pointing away from you. Small circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. 10, 9, feel the burn. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then big circle. So go down first, 10, and up. 9, 8. Inhale, exhale. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, and then reverse. Big circle, out and up. 9, 8, out and up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and down and rest. Okay, friends, single knee to chest stretch. Stretch your knee to your chest to rest a little bit. Inhale, exhale down. Let's go to the other side. Rest your hips and your back. This is still beginners, day 12. Exhale down. Slow and easy as we gently progress. Inhale, exhale. Feel that lovely stretch. Okay, friends, we're going to progress now. Knee to chest and lift the other leg. And if you can challenge, you can lift your shoulders off now. But if this is still painful, back on your back. Slowly progress. Inhale, exhale, switch. Belly button in and blow. You can reach for your medial inner side of your ankle to challenge. 9, 8. With your breathing, 7, 6, 5, lengthen. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now with both knees up like this, pull your glutes. 9, gently. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now squeeze your knees tight together and roll side to side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The progression now is scissoring. Lengthen one leg. Lower the other leg without touching the mat. But if you need to rest, that's fine. And to challenge, you can lift your shoulders off the mat. And then switch it up in the middle here for now. And switch it down. So you're going to meet in the middle here and down. Inhale. Exhale, lengthen. Feel that lovely stretch. 8. Inhale. 7, 6, 5, 4. Inhale. Exhale. 3, 2. Switch it up and meet in the middle and stay here. 1, and open your feet apart. Hold on for now. 10, 9, 8, lengthen. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back down. Double knee bends. Place your knees on top of your knees while in double tabletop. And we're going to do double knee bends, which means you're going to lengthen your knees. Heels together, toes apart, and overhead. Inhale. Exhale back. So you're going to go up with your hands as you lengthen your knees and your toes apart with your heels touching to 45 degrees angle. Exhale, hugging your knees again. 7, 6, feel the burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to do some frog stretch. So frog is when you put your feet together in front of you with your knees bent and exhale, still touching your toes and your heels, and back to bending. Inhale, exhale, up. You can hold on for now for beginners. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, engage your core, 4, with your breathing, 3, 2, and 1. Now hug your knees side to side. Feel that lovely stretch. And now we're gonna cool down now with some trunk twist. Palms out, elbows out to the side, and side to side stretch. Inhale and back to the center. Exhale to stretch your hips and your spine. Feel that lovely stretch. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the side. Lengthen your thoracic mobility. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. And now we're going to slowly sit up. And we're going to cool down for our neck flexibility. Hands apart. Inhale, slowly look up. Exhale, back to the center. Belly button in and blow. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Now lean on the mat and overhead stretch your trunk. Lengthen. Exhale. Let's go to the right first. 4, 3, 2. Follow your hand with your eye gaze. 1. And now switch it up. Open and reach. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to slowly place your hand on your back of your head and look to the right. Back. Twist to the right and back. 4, 3, 2, lengthen. Last one. And now switch it up. Your left hand on the back. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. And now both hands up and look up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Feel the stretch. 5, lengthen your chest muscles. 4, and your neck. 3, 2, and 1. And from this position, side to side. 10. Feel the stretch. 9. Feels good on your posture. 7. With your breath. 6. 5. Cooling down gently. 4. 3. 2. Last one. And 1. And that's it. I'm hoping you're feeling so lengthened and flexible on our upper extremities and lower extremities. If you love this video and want to continue with my 30 days Pilates challenge, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you won't miss anything. This is a lovely Pilates to help lengthen and strengthen you and heal your spine. Always remember, feel your body, take it easy. If you have any questions, suggestions, or requests, you can direct message me on my social media or here in YouTube on the comment section. And I'll try my best to answer each one of you. See you tomorrow for day 13. And we're going to slowly progress more. Even short videos like this are great for your spine, safe and effective. Until next time. Bye.